In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Tableau in just 5 minutes. Whether you're freeing up space on your computer, troubleshooting, or simply moving on to a different tool, removing Tableau doesn't have to be complicated. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, let's begin by accessing the location where all your computer programs are listed. If you're using Windows, the Control Panel is your starting point. So, open up the Control Panel on your computer. This is a central place where you can find various settings and configurations for your system. Once you're in the Control Panel, navigate to Programs. Here, you're going to click on Programs and Features. This section will show you a comprehensive list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of programs, so just be patient. Now, in the list of installed programs, you'll want to look for either Tableau or Tableau Reader. It's important to accurately identify the correct program you wish to uninstall to avoid removing something by mistake. If you have multiple Tableau products installed, be sure to select the one you're specifically aiming to uninstall. The list is usually organized in alphabetical order, which should make the search a little easier. Once you've located the Tableau product in question, it's time to proceed with the uninstallation. Right-click on the name of the Tableau product. This will bring up a context menu with several options, but the one you're interested in is Uninstall Change. Left-click this option, which will prompt the uninstallation wizard to open. Within the wizard, choose the Uninstall option to proceed with removing the software from your system. The uninstallation process might take a few moments as your computer works to remove all the associated files and components. This is normal, so there's no need to worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Once the process is complete, you might be asked to restart your computer. This step is crucial because a restart helps finalize the removal by clearing any remaining files that were not deleted during the uninstallation process. If prompted, it's a good idea to go ahead and restart your computer to ensure everything is completely removed. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully uninstalled Tableau from your computer. Whether you're cleaning up your system or making room for new applications, following these straightforward instructions ensures you can manage your software effectively. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Tableau's support or refer to other resources available online. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and guides.